Well, good morning and welcome along to another edition of Adventures with Otis. And here's the chap. Once again, we're in South East Wales, in the City of Newport, mooching around the grasslands and the woodlands of Newport on these early mornings. Mind you, it's a little bit late this morning. It is actually 6 o'clock, even though the sun hasn't popped up because it's hiding behind the grey sky. But we don't care. We're out for a run around. Otis is off to burn off some of those calories and carbs. So some of you might recognise this area as Pernell's Farm, the top of, and you can see where they built this monstrosity through it in the 60s, called the M4 motorway. Hi Otis. And some of you might remember the farm and when it was all fields and woodlands. Without this, the farm itself, the farmhouse, was farther up towards Christchurch and overlooked all this area. In the distance, away from Otis, I can see the bunny rabbits hopping around. Really pushing this camera zoom to the limits. You enjoying yourself this morning, Otis? Lots of scents this morning. The dew is still on the ground, so I think it probably captured lots of scents. Otis is off to investigate the woods. No, we're not going that way today just yet. Well, saying that we could do. Come on, we'll have a look then. Okay, Otis, I'll follow you. It's your walk after all. I don't believe we've walked through this way either. On video, that is. We have walked underneath the monstrosity before though. Hey young man. He loves nothing more than wandering through the woods. Do you want to walk that way? Okay, we haven't gone this way before. Following the shelter of the monstrosity. Come on then, just walk on a little bit. You can see the footings here of the four pillars. Wow. That's some load bearing. Well, this is new to me. I've never walked underneath here before. Looks like lots of other people have though. Oh, he's going to walk straight through the mud. He loves it. Fortunately, somebody's left a plank here for me. Remnants of a campfire. And this brings us over to the east side of St. Julian's Wood. Very close to the peripheral of St. Julian's housing estate. The periphery was a peripheral. I get the two of them mixed up. I suppose it's the peripheral of the housing estate. When we walk around the peripheral, it'll be the periphery, I guess. Vicky will put me right in the comments. Okay, I haven't actually walked along this path before. So this is all new. Wow. Certainly see across the woods from here. I'm hoping this just doesn't take us into the housing estate. I'm intrigued, so I'm going to keep walking. Hope this will catch up. Oh, there we go, a footpath again. That's a good boy, sticking to the footpath. Back into favourite place, into the woodlands. We'll see where this takes us. Well, originally this was going to be a short video. It may turn into one of the longer mini movies of Adventures of Otis. So at this point, I'd say if you're enjoying the movie, be ready to click the subscribe button. The subscribe button is at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You'll see it hovering. If you don't see it because you're on a phone or a TV screen, you'll have to wait till later on and scroll down beneath the video and you'll see subscribe. And if you really like the video, click on like. And if you don't like the video, click on unlike twice. It's a special button, that one. And if you'd like to be notified of any future videos and mini movies of Otis, then click on the notification bell. Some lovely bluebells here, look at this. I'm hoping I've got this in high definition mode, or this will be totally wasted. Okay, Otis, are you mapping out the area for future expeditions? He certainly is. Look at that. That's right. Mark the spots. Well, I've got no idea where we're going, so I'm literally just going to follow Otis. It does look very steep here. It's quite a rapid descent through the bushes. Oh, here's Otis. And here's the view looking back up through the woods. Can't even see the M4 now. You can barely hear it in the background. Ah, there's a lot of trees blossoming down in the valley. Oh, springtime, rolling on to summer. This is what we want. Well, hopefully soon we'll have some videos coming up of trips to painting and out at Cardiff Bay, out on a motor cruiser, cruising the bay. We'll see if Otis has got his water legs. There's a beautiful bay, a little cove down Painton called Fairy Cove, and it's dog friendly. So that is one place we're going to be heading in the not too distant future. I need to put my teeth in today. All the words and the plurals are all coming out incorrectly. So in the not too distant future, we'll have episodes of Otis aboard a cruiser yacht and venturing around in a motorhome. What do you think, Otis? You're not interested at the moment? Too many nice smells. He's probably following a fox or rabbits or something. All the blossom on the floor here. Looks a bit apple blossomy. It was cherry blossom, then it's faded. Let's have a look up there, see if you can see. I believe that's apple blossom. I may be wrong. Well, the east side of St. Julian's Woods are as immense and beautiful as the west side. What's great is you come out into these big openings full of bluebells. Great place to come down to have picnics and things. Oh, I know I've said it before. I think it's amazing how many green spaces there are in and around Newport. Otis, what have you found? He saw either a rabbit or something that sort of size running into this bush, this little bit of heather bush. The grass along here looks a little bit brackeny. Listen to those birds enjoying themselves, Otis. No, Dad. Oh, I'll sniff everything. That's a good boy. Memo to oneself: do not inhale flies when they fly past. That looks like the long way around, Otis. Oh, okay. You want to go that way or this way? Oh, okay, I bet you there's water down there. No? Oh, wow. I can't climb down there, Otis. Show off. Yes, he's playing in the water. No, I'm going to carry on walking along. No, come on, Otis. This way. Come on. It's too early in the morning for me to go stumbling. I'm going to stick to this path. Seems a lot easier. A lovely spring coming through. It's a spring or a stream. I don't know. Somebody dumped off pillows and duvets and things. What a strange place to dump them. This path is getting narrower, Otis. Leave it. Come on. It's a good boy. Well, this has turned into a real woodland walk this morning. Originally I thought we were just going to go for a run around the grasslands at the top. We just had other ideas of venturing through the woods, discover new pathways. I guess at some time we need to cross this brook, or this stream. Well, Otis is doing it the difficult way. Unfortunately, somebody has placed some railway sleepers there to save me getting wet. Fantastic. This is absolutely gorgeous, having the stream running through. I bet once we got a little bit more rainfall, this will sound beautiful. And I get the feeling that we're still travelling downhill. Oh, listen. A little bit of a babbling brook. Otis has gone to have a look. In he goes. I wondered how long it would take him. It all looks quite safe. Can you hear the water running? Come on then, Otis. Up this way. That's a good boy. Let's continue on and see if we can find an opening into daylight. Otis! Good boy. Well, this path certainly meanders. Oh wow, there's a proper bridge here. Wow. That is superb. Wow, some lovely places there, Otis. Whilst we're here, I'm just going to put the extension lead on, young man. Just a second dog lead, which I just clip onto the other lead. Because in the background here, I can hear, as well as the lovely trickle of the water, you can hear vehicles. Which means we're getting close to the bottom of the hill. And you're on the lead now, Otis. Don't run off. And that means we're near Collie Road. I wonder whereabouts it comes out. Ah, there we go, there's a stile. There's a bit of a gap under that stile. Well, it's a rotary gate, actually, not a stile. Ah, okay. Are you going to walk around or underneath? I think he's going to go underneath. Come on then. That's a good boy. Right, we're on the main road here now, so be a good boy. We'll cross over. It's all clear. We'll cross the road. Keep going. Keep going. Good boy. You're looking at me for advice, are you? It's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come on, we'll go over this way and have a look. We might. Oh yes, we can see the pub from here. So this is the St. Julian's pub. at the foot of St. Julian's Hill. This is a resting dog chewing on a piece of stick. And this is the Isca Boat Yard, or what to say, Boat Club. I can just about make out the little sign over there on the hut. And obviously where there's a boat club there must be a river, and this is the River Usk. Oh, I can hear the river running across boulders. Let's have a look. Okay, so you have Collie Bridge and the main part of Collie Village. On the right hand side there you have the Ship Inn and a toll house. I believe the toll house was there to take charges for Belmont Hill, because that was a private road at one time. And if we look down here you can always see the bottom of the river. If I zoom out you can see how high it is from low to high tide. It must be about 20-30 feet or so, and we're about 3-4 miles upstream from the estuary of Newport. Amazing. Okay, well I'm going to take this opportunity to say cheerio to you all. Thank you for joining us on another edition of Adventures with Otis. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you like it that much you'd like to subscribe, then please click the subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of when and where we get our videos coming out, please click on the notification bell. So with that, Otis and I will say cheerio.